Hey, so my dream job would be to become a gastroenterologist, specialized dietitian. I would like to work with patients who have disorders and diseases of the stomach and intestines. Um, I really like that kind of stuff. It really interests me how the body is able to do things, and I relate to that on a certain level. Like I said in my introduction video, I switched my major back in March, but I got sick my freshman year of college, and so I've been in and out of the gastro and primary health cares. So I met with a dietitian, I've met with doctors, gastro doctors, I've met with a lot of people that have furthered my knowledge and furthered my want to become ARD in this field. I would really like to help others who maybe have issues like that, and maybe they need somebody to relate to, because I would be able to do that for them. I just think that helping them would be is a big thing for me anyways, so why not stick myself in something that I'm comfortable in and I would like to learn more about anyways. I'm hoping that this class will just further my knowledge. If I do someday want to start a practice or anything of that sort, and some steps that are going to help me attain this job is to obviously pass my test and get my certification, but to maybe take an internship that focuses in the gastro area, maybe take an internship for a specialized doctor or a specialized office that would help me to stick my foot in that door and to see and learn and like experience firsthand what it is to help those and things like that. So yeah, that's my dream job.